guys, welcome to Codefly. In this session, I am going to discuss about an important concept, the heart of computer programming, that is about algorithms. Okay, let's dive into the topic. Algorithm is a set of steps to accomplish a particular task. They are the building blocks of programming. In general, it's a recipe that describes the exact steps needed for the task to be solved or reach a specific goal. In the present generation, with technology, the things we do on a daily basis are similar to algorithms. Do you want to know how they are linked with the daily basis? Okay, let us see. If you feel eating something new foodies like a pudding or a samosa and you wish to prepare them, you'll follow some sequence of steps. Okay, in case you want to prepare a samosa, you need to follow some basic steps. First, you need to note it down the required ingredients and you need to design a procedure to cook. Finally, the dish is ready. When coming to procedure, you need to get some potatoes boiled and some stuff should be kept inside a dough. For making a dough, you need to take a wheat flour and some water, mix it well and make a smooth dough. Finally, you deep fry the samosas, the dish will be ready, and add some ketchup and have them. Your tummy will be full of samosas. Okay, in this way we followed some steps to prepare a samosa. In the case of samosa, you use some ingredients. These ingredients acts as input and the procedure acts as a pseudocode. And when coming to the results, the yummy samosa acts as an output. Okay. The entire process is actually an algorithm. Basically, you follow these steps in a sequential order. Okay, you reach your desired output finally. Program work in the same way. Code is made up of algorithms. Okay, remember this point. Code is made up of algorithms, telling them what to do and how to do to accomplish a particular task. In my case, the task is making a samosa. I have followed 3 steps. These 3 steps acts as an algorithm. Algorithm are the sequential steps. Remember this point. And how the output is based upon designing your algorithm. When coming to formal definition, algorithms are used to convert a problem solution into step-by-step statements. These statements can be converted into a computer programming instructions which form a program. I hope you understood, but in a simple line, I would say that it's just a sequence of steps written in a natural language. Remember this point. Algorithms are written in natural language. When coming to pseudocode, this pseudocode is written in a programming language that we choose. If I choose a Python language, I would write the pseudocode in Python and the algorithm remains the same which is written in a natural language. Okay, this algorithm is converted into a pseudocode which is understood by a computer. It compiles it and gives a particular result of that code. This is about algorithms. Okay, I hope you understood well. If you have any queries, you can comment me in the comment section. And the next session is going to be about how to write an algorithm for a particular programming question. Okay, for example, if you take addition and subtraction, the basic programming questions, I will teach you how to write an algorithm for them. Okay, if you have any queries, you can comment me in the comment section and please do hit a like and subscribe. Stay tuned with us. You will be getting amazing content in upcoming videos. Okay, see you guys. See you in the next session. Bye.